is Nishini and I'm a recent graduate from University at Albany. I just finished my Bachelor of Arts and I wanted to move to my further studies in Master of Fine Arts, and I chose Australia as my country of choice, and I didn't really know which university to apply to, and RMIT was the choice that I made, and I chose RMIT because it's like the top university for art and design in Australia, and it's in the ranking. It has a high ranking in art and design programs in the world, and it's also in the heart of Melbourne. And the culture is very vibrant, and the art scene is amazing there. So, and also the university has great industrial connections, and I'm excited to pursue that journey, and I hope I do well. I mean, I will probably. But yeah, the visa process and the whole process was very long. It was grueling, but I don't think I could have done it without Edlocate because it was a very smooth process. Thanks to my counselors at Edlocate, I was able to get my visa in a matter of 2 weeks, and I couldn't have done it without them. And I really recommend this place to everyone who wants to continue their studies abroad. So yeah, thank you so much, Edlocate, for helping me, and bye.